Good morning everyone. My name is Kalyani Tarte and today's topic is prokaryotic cells. So prokaryotes names comes from the Greek word pros means before and karyon means nucleus. Prokaryotics is a unicellular organism that lacks nucleus, mitochondria or any other organelle. Prokaryotic organisms are single cellular. Prokaryotic organisms are commonly called as a bacteria. They are cells with simple structure. That cell have a cell wall. It's a small cell that size is 1 to 5 micrometer. It does not contain distinct nucleus, chromosome, centrioles, microtubule. It may have evolved from membrane-bound organic called protobion. Prokaryotics are divided into two domains, bacteria and archaea. There are three basic bacterial cell shapes. First one is cocci, second one is bacilli, third one is spirilla. So first one is cocci is oval spherical shaped bacteria. Second one is bacilli is a rod shape. Third one is spirilla, that is a spherical shape. Reproduction of prokaryotics. The basic type of reproduction include the budding, binary fission and fragmentation. Budding. It happens when a cell makes a bud that looks like a bubble. It is a type of asexual reproduction that occurs in Hydra and yeast. Binary fission. It happens when a cell splits into two identical daughter cells. Third one is a fragmentation. It is happen when a cell breaks into smaller pieces or fragments and each piece becomes a new cell. Structure of prokaryotic. A prokaryotic cell contains external and internal structure. Capsule, flagella, axial filament, pili are present external to the cell wall. First one is prokaryotic cell wall. The cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan that provide structure to the cell wall. Two bacterial cell, that is gram-positive and gram-negative bacterial cell. Second one is the plasma membrane. It is a thin lipid bilayer that completely surrounds the cell and separates the inside from the outside. The general structure of cell membrane is phospholipid bilayer composed of two layers of lipid molecule. Third one is a flagella. It is a hair-like structure or microscopic-like structure involved in the locomotion of cell. Fourth one is a pili. Fimbriae are proteinous and sticky projected structure used by the cells to attach to each other to object around them, and while pili are tubules that are used to transfer DNA from one cell to another cell. Fifth one is a cytoplasmic membrane. It is a membrane that provides a selective barrier between environment and the cell's internal structure. Sixth one is a nuclei. The cytoplasm also contains a region that called as a nucleoid, which is where the DNA of the cell is located. Seventh one is ribosomes. These are the principal structure in prokaryotic cell after nucleoid. They are composed of a complex of protein and RNA and are site of protein synthesis in the cell. The prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S and comprise subunit 50S and 30S. Thank you.